Our stop in Fulan Khao National Park. It is about a 40-minute ride outside of Chaiyaphum up into the first elevation that we've been to this whole trip through Issan. It's a little bit of a horseshoe-shaped escarpment. We're at the top. It's not a sold in sight. There is facilities here for camping. There's an observation platform over the edge of the cliff, looking out on that valley down there. Unfortunately, it's a little overcast today, so the view's not that great. But it was a nice, relaxing stop. Allowed us to practice on the drone, and we'll be pushing on to another